Have you ever wanted your own .com, .xyz, or other custom domain but got stuck because every website asks for a credit card? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a legitimate way to get a domain name for FREE without entering any credit card details. Whether you're starting a blog, launching a portfolio, creating an AI project, or building your first website, this method can help you get a domain at zero cost. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, show you how to claim the domain, and explain any limitations you should know before getting started. So, without wasting any time, let's get started.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So here you can see I already create an account and claim one domain. Here you can see opodivar.pond, which is completely free without credit card, and expiry date 19 July 2027. So if you are my old viewers, just go to my YouTube channel homepage and search here domain. You will find my old videos also. Here you can see 1 month ago I created a video about how to get free domain from name.com. Cheapest way to buy .com domain, here you can see, and our free domain 2026 credit card not needed. Here you can see 4 months ago created a video. Now this is the new video. Let's get started. The full complete guide is here. I'll give this link in this video description. You can simply follow this, but I will also show you practical how to start it. So in a first we need to Discord server. Here you can see in a step 1, join the nickname Discord server and accept the rule. If you had already Discord account, then just skip this step 1. You need to simply follow the step 2. Now I will create a Discord account. So just go to Google and search Discord. Click on this login button. Now click on this register. Email address, simply use your email, Outlook, Hotmail. After fill the all information. After that simply click on this create account button. Now maybe we need to verify human. Now here you can see we had successfully created our account. Now let's verify our account. Simply close this, and here you can see please check your email. Now let's go to our email address and verify our account. Click on this simply verify email. Continue to Discord. Now we are successfully created Discord account. Now let's follow another step. We had successfully created our Discord account. Now simply here you can see step 1. Just click on this, go to, and here you can see accept invite. Click on this accept invite. Now verify the captcha. Now here you can see you must complete a few more steps before you start talking to this server. Now click on this complete, and we need to verify our phone number. So simply select your country. Here you can see we had successfully verified our phone number. Now just scroll down and click on this I have read TNC. Then click on this submit button. Now we are successfully joined the nickname server. Let's follow another step. Here you can see this is the first step. Now here you can see in a second step verify your account via captcha.bot. So go to nickname server and click on this choose verify. Then click on this verify. Here you can see please verify yourself to gain access to nickname. Click on this, click here, and just visit site. Now simply click on this login to verify. Scroll down and keep authorized. After that we had successfully logged in. Now click on this verify. Now we need to hold to verify, and here you can see a notification, you have been verified. Now again go to nickname server. Let's click on again verify, and here you can see a notification, you are already verified. Now we are successfully verified on captcha.bot. This is the second step. Here you can see. Now we need to follow the step 3, access promotion, and run the promos command. Now here you can see you will see a lot of nickname. Here you can see. Now we need to simply click on this promotion / promos. Here you can see, simply after type promos, click on this enter, and here you can see enter your nickname, account, email address. Now we need to sign up our account on nicknames.com. so simply visit nicknames.com and click on this sign in, then click on this sign up and choose your email address, then agree TNC and click on sign up. Here you can see your account is not fully set up, please complete your profile. So just click on this continue button to finish up your profile. Let's type name, just fill your personal detail and address, then click on this save. Here you can see contact created. Now let's go to dashboard. Now we need to verify our email address. Here you can see a notification, your email address is not verified. Now let's just go to your email address, and here you can see confirm new contact email. Simply click on this. Now our profile is fully ready to claim it. Again go to Discord, just type here /promo, press enter, and here you can see now we need to paste our email address here. Simply paste your email address which is registered on nicknames. Now click on the submit button. Now here you can see we need to enter OTP, then click on this enter OTP code. Now go to your email address, and this is our OTP, authorization code. Again go to Discord and paste here OTP simply, then click on this submit. Now simply one last step is select promo to activate. Now you want to register. Here you can see a lot of type of domain in a completely free. So tokenized.name or tokenized.name, domain renewal, nickname plus membership, or CYOU domain registration, or .bond domain registration. So in this video I will register our .bond domain registration. So simply select this. You can also register another type of domain. Now here you can see promo code activated successfully. Click here to below to reveal your discount code. You can also view coupon code from here, and this link valid for 1 year. And also just go to your email address. Sorry, there is no promo code on an email, we need to claim from here. So simply click on this link and click on this reveal my code. Let's verify, and this is my coupon code. Simply copy this, go to nicknames.com. Now we need to search our domain. Just search your desired domain name, and here you can see 1.19 cent, but we will use our promo code. So simply select the domain, then click on this checkout and click on this enter coupon code, and here you can see $0. Now simply click on this continue button and continue to checkout. Here you can see generating voice, and congratulations, your payment has been successfully proceeded. Thank you for choosing us. Now simply go to domain and classic, and here you can see my domain. Now you can simply manage your domain from here. Here you can see name server and DNS record. You can also add your custom DNS if you have your own hosting, or you can also change DNS, connect with your cPanel hosting or Cloud Panel or Cyber Panel. I had already created a video about how to install Cyber Panel and Cloud Panel on DigitalOcean. So I'll suggest you to visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find awesome useful content. So in this video, we learned about how to get free domain in a completely free, without a domain, without a credit card, or without anything. Just we need a Discord account. We don't need anything. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vivas Malik YouTube channel for simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide, and make sure visit techpolyster.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.